Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 7. Give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Alright, like we are taking two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Suppose one prime number we have taken 3 and another prime number is 5. Right, if we take the difference, that is 5 minus 3, we are getting 2. Right, difference is 2 and we have taken two prime numbers. This is one pair. Right, next take another, that is 5 and 7. Now if we minus subtract it, 7 minus 5, it is also 2. If we take another number, that is 11 and 13, if we subtract 13 minus 11, we are getting 2. And these pairs are known as twin prime numbers. Right? These are known as twin prime numbers. Now give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. We are taking two prime numbers 3 and 5. If we subtract 5 minus 3, that is the difference is 2. If we take another pair, that is 5 and 7, 7 minus 5, difference is 2. If we take another pair, that is 11 and 13, 13 minus 11, that is also 2. Then we can say that 3, 5, 5, 7, 13, 11 and 13 are known as twin prime numbers. This is the solution of question number 7.